Yeah. Hi all, welcome back to Chimpanzee Charts. Apologies for coming again live. There was some issue with my internet. That's the reason I came back live again. So I deleted my previous live video and coming back with a new live video. So let's start with BTC USDT pair. So people who wants to follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter as well as on Facebook, and try to subscribe this channel, like and share it with your friends and comment if you have any questions. As I usually say, I'm not a financial advisor or SAB certified agent, so try to make use of knowledge what I share here. So make use of it and learn yourself and educate yourself. Okay, so let's start with BTC USDT. So I was expecting this correction here, but somehow we got support at 8 EMA. So that's a very good sign, and we got a very good bullish candle. And this rally was supposed to go up, but yesterday we closed below this 4500. So if you guys would have noticed my earlier videos from last week, I would have told that 4500 is like key area. Even though it broke 4500, I'm not turning bearish. Okay, so still we are above this 8 EMA. You can see here we are above 8 EMA. So it can be a temporary correction. Okay, so and if this candle closes either as a doji candle or it's like a hammer candle, like if it is closed like a hammer, green hammer candle, I think there are a lot of chances we are going up like this. Okay, if since it is a doji candle, as I used always say, even here we got a doji candle on the same area, we are getting a doji candle like after 3 days of time. So it's like usually doji candle, people used to say it's an indecisive candle where we can't able to take a respectful decision whether it is going up or going down. Okay, so if bulls want to push this market up and we get some volume traction like this, we are going up for sure. Okay, the next possible scenario is BTC can come below this 8 EMA, and this support needs to be tested, uh, and it should act as a support. It should not cross this support like this. Okay, something like this, it should not happen, and it should not close below the support. If it close below the support, now we are seeing a target, all this kind of stuffs. Okay, again for BTC in coming days. If maybe we need to wait for a few days. If it happens, if it does not happen, and we should not close below this 8 EMA first of all today or tomorrow. Okay, if this happens, people's sentiment will turn, and there will be emotion, and there are chances they can take the whoever traded here, they will be taking profit here. Already people took profit, but whoever is waiting for BTC to go up, they might take profit, and it may eventually come and test 36,700 or this 34 EMA, this horizontal resistance, or this 34 EMA, which is like around 36,200 area. So these are the key areas where BTC come and test and go back. Okay, so we need to wait and see how today's candle getting closed. Okay, so in my last video on Saturday, if you guys would have noticed, I told about Solana. I was keep on saying Solana from the price of $28. Okay, so right now, and I drew this horizontal resistance on Saturday, saying that this is the key price which needs to be broken. Solana needs to break. It exactly touched that point and it got reversed. Okay, so on 29th July, I told Solana might touch this 50 EMA. As once the video is done, it got touched and it was rallying for continuous 3 days, and it exactly got rejected. This is the line which I drew on live video. You guys can cross check and see whether I drew this line or not on Solana. I even gave the description at what time we were discussing Solana on our Saturday video, and in this video's description you guys can go and check on that. And we are getting inverted hammer kind of stuff. It means inverted hammer. Okay, we need to see inverted hammer. It might reverse, but we need to wait and see how BTC is, because it should be a green candle. Since there was a correction in BTC, this candle turned to a inverted hammer kind of stuff, but it's not exact inverted hammer. Okay, so Solana needs to break 36 to move further up, like next target of around $40. Okay, maybe I will if it breaks uh, sorry, I drew a trend line. If it breaks 36.8, Solana needs to hold. Next support is like it needs to go to $40. Okay, that is like 10% from here, so from $36. But we need to wait and watch how BTC is trying to push this price. Okay, let me go to ETH. Okay, ETH is bullish. This is the word I told here, exactly here. I told a word called ETH is bullish, and I gave all these targets. So these are the different targets I'm expecting ETH. If you see ETH 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If you see my last video on this day, I would have told I'm bullish on ETH. See what happened. At 5 days consecutively it went up. So if you guys made this trade, well and good. And I was keep on saying ETH will give more confidence to all coins. Whenever ETH pushes up, we can see a altcoin price movement. Okay, one thing what I feel why ETH pumped all the way like past 2 days is like Bitcoin dominance started falling little bit. That may be the reason ETH is going up. And obviously this money, whatever the ETH once people started taking profit, this money will flow into large caps and as well as small caps, all those things. Okay, so I'm expecting other like Link, Dot, everything to run in coming days. So today if you have seen Rune, it went up like 15% or 18% today. So yeah, ETH I am bullish. So I was keep on saying this from last week. Okay, so ETH as expected, it went well. So let me check into Rune. So Rune USDT. So same thing. Okay, this day I was even saying 3.50 was the target. Okay, Rune I was even saying this volume other day. It eventually traveled and it broke this resistance. Rune is like 200 EMA is exactly at $8. It might push to 200 EMA and can reject there, but Rune gave a very big candle. So if you see here, yesterday it dropped. Okay, that's fine, but it closed above 50 EMA. This will bring more confidence for traders. Okay, and we can see a crossover of 80 EMA above 34 and 50 EMA. So this is one of the bullish, and I was keep on saying in my videos for past few weeks. So this is one of the bullish scenario. That's why the price went up. But if if this ATM tries to cross above 50 EMA today or tomorrow, at least I am seeing a price of $8 to Rune. Either it can hit and reverse. So better watch Rune how it is performing and comment in this video. So that is with respect to Rune. Let's see dot USDT. Okay, dot USDT. Okay, dot same thing. ATM crossed over these two moving averages and price pumped all the way. And if you see dot from all the way $10 to $19.788 yesterday. So if you just took the percentage from here, it's like almost 80% in 11 days of time. Okay, 1000 rupees is like 1800 rupees, 10,000 is 18,000, 1 lakh is like 1,18,000, 10 lakh is like 18 lakhs. Okay, so literally 80% in 11 days. It's like OMG trade. So I'm still bullish on dot because it is yesterday it had a very good volume compared to these days. This is the day it got reversed. Okay, compared to these days, yesterday we had a very good volume, but sell is not like much. We are not having much sell pressure, and we are having a doji candle. Okay, so anything can happen. It depends on BTC, but Dodge, if it pushes up, I'm seeing a target of 22.499. Let me try to find some other lesser horizontal resistance other than 22. Maybe we can take this one. This one is done. Let me draw a line here. This price is done, closed, and I'm seeing maybe this one. few days. Maybe this should be ideal. Okay, 20.4. It's kind of a middle resistance, but exact resistance should be this one. So let me draw one more line for dot. Okay, so these are the three price targets I am seeing for dot as of now. If it pullbacks, well and good, we can get around 16.33. So that is a very good target. Let me put a target around here. So maybe as a red. Okay, this should act as a support. If it comes below this, not okay, I think it's well and good. Okay, so if it comes and it acts as a support, we can capture this. Okay, so that is 16.323. If dot comes and the 16.233 act as support, and if it travels back, we are getting a very good entry. If it breaks below, let's wait and see where can we catch the dot. Because why? Because everything went too fast, so there are correction needs to happen. That is like emotions of people. So better to wait and see, since it went up all the way like 80%. So we need to wait and see what is happening next. Okay, so this is with respect to dot. I told ICP. Let's see ICP. What last week we discussed ICP. ICP same thing. It is getting congested. ATMA is trying to cross over 50 and 34. It is getting congested. The day when we spoke, I was having expectation it might reach 34 EMA. I think it went near 34 EMA, and they took profits. So Ichimoku is like bearish because it's all the way 90% down. So we need to wait and see what is ICP is doing. But this lagging moving averages has crossed after a long time. So this is the first time it happened. After that it came down. Again, this is the second time it happened. So and this this ATMA is trying to cross over this value, this EMS. So if it tries to cross over, I'm seeing still a target of $47. It's like 15 to 18% profit if we are buying at 41. Okay, at least 13 to 15%. That is on with respect to ICP. Let's see BNB. Okay, BNB. I was keep on saying to you guys, we are. If you see here, exactly whatever that horizontal line I marked, this horizontal line also was predicted maybe based on the different resistance levels and all those things. Exactly on the Bollinger Band, it is now. This is the first target I told. It needs to break with volume where we can at least reach up to 358 to 370 region. This region is possible. So we need some volume. Good that this happened on BNB where ATMA crossed over all these congested moving averages. So that is good. So if it is continue to happen and BTC is supporting all the altcoins, I think it might go up. And one good thing we can assure is like since ETH is running, altcoins is having some kind of positive energy. So I think we can have a push to 370 for sure for BNB. But BTC should not ruin the party. So this is the one of the main thing we need to watch on BNB. And let's watch ADA. ADA is what it is like very what to say. ADA during my last week video, I was expecting at least a target of 1.41 because these things are pumping. Everything was pumping. ADA was going up very well, but volume was low. It needs some volume, but it reached like 1.38. My target was like 1.44. So ADA is still going up. So if there is any kind of weakness, we might again fall like this. But and I also told that the sarcastic RA is like on the top, but even I told that it may get continued. Let it continue for some more time and see whether it is at least reaching this target 1.44. If it closes above 1.44, I would say if it closes above 1.50, it is like very good sign for ADA because it is closing above 1.50. It's almost like after 40 days of time. So I am expecting at least 1.45 for ADA. this moving average is trying to cross. If this happens, for sure I'm seeing a 1.43. Maybe I will draw a line. If let's see what happens for ADA USDT. Okay, next thing is like what we can watch. ADA is done. Litecoin is it's hovering around $144 for law. Oh my god, it's like for lot of days. And you remember I draw this line, it touched that and it came below that, and today also it tried to touch the 145. It's a good sign. I'm expecting at least Litecoin to reach 153. So let's see, at least $10 from here and more. If it closes above 153 or if it closes around 155, I think the next target will be 172 and eventually 190 once all these targets are broken for Litecoin. So again, BTC should not spoil the party. So this is Litecoin. And next thing, let's check Doge USDT. So there are a lot of Doge fans around everywhere because its price is very less. So Doge volume is needed, and either a tweet from Elon will try to push Doge at least to 50 EMA, like 0.22. Elon should tweet something about some positive energy for Doge. At least it can reach 0.22. Once it reaches 0.22, I think this 8 EMA will try to overcome this 34 and eventually try to overcome this 50 EMA in coming days if it is reaching 0.22 or more. Once it is done, I think I am expecting a target for Doge at 26 cents maximum. So that is with respect to Doge. Okay, you can draw a line. At least first target should be this one. We need a positive news from Elon that he is buying more Doge. Let him tweet or change his profile picture or some XYZ things happens. This can push up to 22 cents. Let's see if anyone is chatting. As of now, no. Let's go to gold chart. Gold chart, I was checking today. I was not impressed with gold chart because it broke through the support line which we draw. Okay, it reversed actually. Wow, that's very good sign. Okay, when I was seeing this chart morning, this candle was above this 8 EMA and I was little bit worried that the gold price is coming down, but this is good actually. Okay, if this particular candle closes above this support, which was a previous resistance, and if it acts as a support, I think I drew a line. I don't know what happened. Let me draw one more line. Actually, I drew a line something like this. Okay, gold will go up. Okay, and I was okay. I was at least expecting a target of 19 something, right? Yeah, 1908. Maybe before that, gold needs to. I will try to have one more line. Okay, let me change this to green. Okay, so let me change this to red. Okay, fine, let's save it. Okay, so I was a little bit worried today when I checked gold chart. Price was coming down, and even Indian market gold price was coming down, and I was a little bit worried because this was my support. But gold did a very good thing. Okay, so it closed about 200 EMA. That is a positive sign. And I was expecting this candle, since it is Friday, people used to sell gold, take profit. Okay, that is what had happened. Whenever a Friday comes, people try to take profit. But the people who took profit, okay, I think they also had a same kind of resistance or support, SR flip. So that's where price got closed above this support and closed above 8 EMA. Okay, 8 and 34 EMA. That was okay. I was on when I saw it on Saturday, I thought okay, fine, let's wait and see. But this if this candle turns green and if we have like 2 more days of upside of gold, I'm seeing first target of 1854. Since this move happened, I'm reducing the first target to 1854, and next is like 1903. Okay, so that is with respect to gold. And let's check Nifty. Nifty Nifty, even every China market went up, and you can see a gap. Even Nifty also went up. I was not expecting this. I was expecting Nifty to come down. Since it's Monday, it got traded, but S&P today is trading high. I think right now I need to change my decision that Nifty can go up tomorrow also, because if S&P hit all time high today as well, I think. We will check the chart. So if S&P hits all time high, probably Nifty also goes up. I think it's a very good time for Indian traders who invested in March 2020 crash, because they are making a lot of money even in F&O and everything. So let's see, but all these things needs to be watched. Be careful with Nifty because all these moving averages are getting closed, and we had a warning wick here, so better to stay close. And we also heard news of China, and so let's wait and see how market reacts tomorrow. That is with respect to Nifty. If you guys noticed Amarraj batteries, okay, on the other day I was discussing, on Thursday, I think last week Thursday I was discussing. See what happened. I was saying to you guys, it was keep on coming down, and on a weekly chart it was exactly at the support, and I was saying that we might have a bounce. Okay, as expected on a daily. On Friday, I think Friday we had a, based on the weekly support, we had a huge bounce from like 694 rupees to 721. It's not a huge bounce, it's a good bounce, but closed above 8 EMA. That is the one sign. If you see here, it was not only few days that were a red candle. Every time it closed below this 8 EMA, if you have noticed. Okay, so only here it closed above 8 EMA and it rallied. Okay, that is a relief rally, I think. But candle is different. If you see here, this is a Morabusu candle. This candle is like everyone bought in. Okay, maybe they thought this is the final dip they can buy. That's the reason everyone bought in. But today also it closed as a doji candle between the middle of Bollinger Band at 8 EMA. So, but closed above 8 EMA. That is one good sign. We need to see how market reacts tomorrow. If people who are bought here, if they are taking profits in coming days, I think it might come down. So let's see how, but still on weekly it is on exactly at the support, and this is a big reversal candle. This kind of candles are reversal candles because people are capitulating on the price breakdown. Okay, whenever price comes down, people are buying. Whenever it comes to 693, people are buying and making it as a capitulation candle. When traders used to see this type of candles, that's where market will reverse. But I feel if it breaks below this resistance, this support, we need to wait and see where can we enter on Amarraj batteries. That is with respect to Amarraj batteries. Let's see EXIDE Industries. EXIDE Industries, I think I was saying this on Thursday. It is on the support. It reversed. People would have bought in, but today's candle looks like bearish candle. Everyone who bought this support, everyone is selling it, and but I don't feel confidence here. So let's see what is happening on EXIDE tomorrow. But this was a very good trade. Whoever bought in at 174, they could have sold at 180 or something. It's not a good trade, a decent trade, not EXIDE. People who can hold for long term, it's fine. If they want to do F&O options, they would have made a little bit of money. That is with EXIDE. So let's go to Reliance Industries. Okay, so as I was keep on saying, this 200 EMA acted as a support for Reliance, and we got a green candle and which is closed above 8 EMA. So let's see whether this type of pattern happened for Reliance earlier. Okay, I think I'm seeing a few days of upward momentum for Reliance. If there is a bad market or bad news coming tomorrow, it might fall again. If it falls, I think I'm expecting a big price correction for Reliance. That is for Reliance. You guys, let's see ITC. ITC Limited. Okay, ITC. I don't know. I was expecting downtrend for ITC, but somehow this 50 EMA. Okay, it got reversed. It's okay. It's a reversal candle, but I think we need to be a little bit careful on ITC. Let's see what happens. I'm expecting at least $200 coming in soon for ITC, but this is not. I was expecting downtrend for ITC. We had a four corrections. For some reason it went up because Indian market, I think it speculated on Chinese stock market. I think that's the reason it went up. Maybe on a technical basis, I'm seeing a downtrend for ITC. Let's wait and see. I was expecting this 50 EMA to support this kind of pattern I was expecting, but for some reason it went up. Let's see what we can do on ITC. Next thing what we can check is like link.eth, ICP, everyone we checked. Let's go to coin market cap and see. We even checked Dodge also. Bitcoin, ETH, Cardano checked, XRP, we didn't check DOG. Let us check Uni. So it is in first 10th coin, right, in market cap. Let's check it as it is having a lot of respect to check. We need to check Uni USDT pair. Uni was consistent, yeah. It looks same like Ethereum chart. Okay, it's broke above this resistance. It's going up. 24.95, it might reject. If it closes above 24.95, Ichimoku will turn green, I think. Let me see here. Yeah, Ichimoku is turning green. If it closes above, if the price closes above like 25 or something like that, it will again fly. There's lot of green candles in out of last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of last 13 days, 12 days is green candle. All this volume will be pumped up. So I am at least expecting $24 for 24 exactly saying. Let me see. Let me draw a line for you guys. Exactly. Let me draw a green line. 25.04. Okay. Uni 25.04 is my target as of now. So let's see. Okay, Binance we checked. Bitcoin Cash. Oh my God! I don't know whether you guys took those trade based on my video. Bitcoin Cash, it exactly happened. So I think I drew a line on other day. No, let's see whether I drew a line or not. No, I drew a. I think I draw a higher target. Yeah. So Bitcoin Cash, I was saying around 513 because I was expecting this move, and I asked you. I was saying that if it crosses above this 530, it might reach 587, but it went all over 553. I'm expecting at least a target of 638 for Bitcoin Cash. Okay, we got same thing. It's ETH is taking the rally out of Bitcoin, I believe, because whenever ETH pumps, all these altcoins are getting bumped because Bitcoin is on doji candle, but BCH is on like green candle. Okay, BCH, ETH, Uni, everything is on green candle. I'm seeing at least a target of 635. But if Bitcoin falls to 36,700, boom, will come down for sure. I think I have covered lot of charts. Let's see whether anyone is chatting here. I think there is this one guy, so we just replied him. So if you guys need any charts, let me know. We can look and try to analyze more on chimpanzee charts. As I usually say, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not a SEBI certified trader. So try to make your own decisions and try to learn whatever I say, and please share it with your friends, family, neighbors, and discuss with them and learn more about it. Anyhow, thank you all. Thank you for your support. Please follow me on Twitter to update on Twitter as well as on Facebook. So kindly appreciate my work. Thank you all.